Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to translate your Shopify store using Shopify free app. Now, if you're looking for a app on your Shopify that you can incorporate to translate your entire Shopify store and to change your Shopify store to multiple different languages, then this is a tutorial for you. Now, this is the app that I'm talking about. It's called Shopify Translate and Adapt. This is completely free, as you can see right here. It has 5 stars, 4.3 stars, but it has majority of 5 stars, as you can see. And basically, this is how it works, right? So whenever someone is in your store, they can either change it to, for example, German language, Japan language, or, maybe English language. So this is basically how you're going to be able to auto-translate your store and your customers, how they're going to be able to translate and auto-translate for free. Now, as you can see, you can auto-translate 2 languages for free, as you can see. You can obviously edit side by side. Now, this is depending on where your customers are coming from. Let's say you're let's say like 50% of your customers are coming from China and 50% from USA. Then you'll probably get a USA and Chinese as a language, right? So you can also adapt for different markets, pair with Shopify markets as well. And overall, it's a really great app. It's completely free. Obviously, if you're looking for maybe different apps, you can go here and just go Shopify Translate. And then as you can see, once you hit enter, you'll be able to see basically all the translation apps, as you can see, with maybe even paid plans and free plans as well. So, but this is one that I recommend if you want to translate your Shopify store using the Shopify's free app. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.